Can you give us a chair? I think this is one.
Good afternoon, respected Dean Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear students. As you all know, we are going home a little bit late today because we are bidding farewell to REHA Ma'am. Alright, so please be patient. We have a small and a very short program for her. Alright, children, small ones? Thank you. So may I request Dean Sir to kindly say a few words.
A very good afternoon to all of you, Kuchan Ma'am, REHA Ma'am, teachers and with your children. Jaya Ma'am mentioned to you why we're here. We'll try and keep it as short as possible because know you are a little hungry. When somebody leaves like this, and especially for somebody who's been with us for quite a while, it is not easy to let the person go. Farewells are always difficult, especially when that someone has been special for us. I knew REHA Ma'am since I've come here. It's been about 2 years, and what I've seen in her is a person who is a strict disciplinarian, somebody who takes her classes seriously, and somebody who's up to date with her work. The lesson plans, the different books, she was the first one who would come into my office to hand that over. So thank you, REHA Ma'am, so much. I'm really sorry that I don't have too much to say because it's just been about 2 years that I've met you. But knowing you, I know you have a good life ahead of you. I know you lead a disciplined life. Thank you so much for all that you've done for me personally, for the school, for the children here in front of you. There are others waiting to, do that, who know you better than me. I would like them to talk about you briefly a little later on. But once again, we wish you all the best that life has to offer. I know things will be a little different, but we will miss you at Camden. Thank you and God bless you.
Now to represent from the students' body, I request Tutan to come and give message to ma'am.
Change is the only constant in life. We as human beings must accept and adapt to the changes that occur in our lives. But the fact that my beloved teacher, REHA Ma'am, has decided to move on in life has brought about a change, or rather a huge vacuum in our lives. We will miss you dearly, ma'am. Though words are not enough to express the grief in our hearts left by your departure. Yet, I would like to tell you that we will always miss you and cherish all the wonderful memories we have together. The only option I have got is to accept it. I wish you very best in all your future endeavors. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Tutan. Now I would like to say a few words about REHA Ma'am. As everybody knows that REHA Ma'am has been one of the oldest teacher in Campion, and when I joined, she was the only one who has guided me. And I think I should not look at her right now. And obviously there are words, I'm short of words when I have to say a few words about her. So basically the thing is that I wish her a lot of happiness and best wishes for her future. So that's all. Now I request Ankit sir to come up on stage and perform his song.
just like a song.
For the traditional Sandra to me. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, sir. I request Principal Ma'am to give away the memento to REHA Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I request Swastika Ma'am to give the bouquet.
West side. Let's skip.